Hello friends. So today we'll see the second part of Linux, few next commands of Linux. So first command for today is top. So this command will give you the details of the CPU utilization and other resources of utilization on CLI. So here you can see uptime 12 minutes. So system is up since last 12 minutes. Maximum available users 2, load average, then task total 252 tasks, one is running, 251 sleeping, 0 stop, then zombie 0, CPU percentage utilized 1%, then some other data here, memory, swap memory, total memory here, total swap memory 393 and use 700 buffer cache available memory, and here you can see which process is utilizing the how much CPU. Your process ID, then user. I'm using Kali and root, so you can see these two users. Then PR, NI, this some other data, and here some percent. Here you can see percentage of CPU, how much that process is utilizing the CPU. Then percentage of memory. Then here it is showing which commands are running currently in background. So this was the first command top. To stop this one, use Control C. So after this, next command is grep, grep. So this command used to filter the strings. Means using this command you can filter the data or file name. So let's see in desktop. So okay, so there is nothing on the desktop. So here we can see different directories with different names. So what I will do, I will filter the templates. Means I would like to check on temp let words how many data is available in this directory. So let's see ls pipe grep temp. So pipe command we use to combine the two commands. So we can merge the two commands using pipe. Okay, so it is case sensitive, so it is not taking. Let's try ls pipe grep temp. Yeah, so here it is showing templates. Only one directory is available here, template in this directory. So it is showing templates only. So like this, we can use the grep to filter the data using strings. So next command is change mode, chmod. This command we use to change the permission of file to read, write, uh, or only write, to give the permission to the specific users. Suppose like Kali user wants to access the file with read only, so we can give that permission. Or if Kali user wants to execute the file, so we can give the full permission, read, write, execution, all things. So let's go move to the desktop, navigate. So here there are no files, so let's create the file. Mm, yeah, touch test one. Okay, so we can see we have, let's see if it is created or not. So file is created. Let's see if anything is in that file, as we have not written anything, so it will not show anything. So let's write something in file vi to check these vi cat command details. Please watch the first video of Master Linux series. How are you? Okay, so this much sentence, escape colon WQ to save. Okay, so let's see cat test one. See, we can see this much data is available in this. So, but this file is not in execution mode. So this only read and write mode only. So we can change the permission chmod 777 tst1. So 777R means full permission to that file. So it will change the color of that file to green. So if file is in green color, then uh, that means file we can execute the file like a shell script, like scripting files. To execute, we need to give the test chmod 777 or chmod plus x command, then file name. These two commands you can use to change the permission. So next command is to copy the file content from one file to another file from CLI. Touch test2 touch test2. Okay, so we have two files, test1 and test2. Let's see if anything is inside the test2 file. There is nothing in the test2 file. To copy the content of test1 file to test2, use the command test cat test1 file name, then right side arrow mark test2. Okay, so command executed successfully. Let's see, file is there, cat tst2, space is there. So cat test2. Let's see if content is same. So hello friends, how are you? Content is same as case test one file. So let's confirm what is inside test one. See, in both files, content is same. This way you can copy the content from one file to another file. Thank you guys.